Hi, welcome to SSIS Demo. In this video, we'll learn about how to create an SSIS package from query using SSIS As a first step, we need to create new specification document and provide the destination details. Current model only supports table, but future versions will have flat file and destination file as destination type. Our table will reside in demo database, so let's go ahead and provide that connection. It's going to be a brand new table, so let's go ahead and provide the table name and connection name. Data load type can be either insert and update or truncate and reload. When it comes to insert and update, it will try to insert records if they doesn't exist and update records if they already exist. Let's go ahead and select insert and update. And we can update using a regular table or a temporary table. So all the records which need to get updated goes into temporary table or a regular table. Let's go ahead and select temporary table. And we can update based on all columns or based on hash code. For this demo, let's go ahead and select on all columns and save and continue. As a first step in the specification document, we need to provide source connection. This is where all our tables are coming from. If you have multiple, just click add connection to provide another connection. For this example, we'll be using AdventureWorks 2016. And I have created a simple query using person tables. It basically joins between person tables on their uniqueness columns, and then it filters on address type home. For demo purpose, I want to demonstrate that the derived column automatically gets created. I created a case statement. This can be as complex as you can. This is just for demo purpose. Let's go ahead and copy this query and then go in here and click add query, then click generate specification document. This will automatically create all the tables and join conditions between them, and then creates all the columns with their ETL rules. SSIS expect uniqueness for each specification. So in this example, we need to provide what is the uniqueness for this specification. In this example, it's going to be uniqueness based on these three columns. Let's go ahead and select that and then click save and generate. Since this is a brand new table, it's saying that table doesn't exist in the destination. We need to create the table. So SSIS automatically created a create table script for you. Just double click on that and it will open inside your management studio. If you have access to creating this table, go ahead and click execute. If you don't, please go ahead and ask your DBA to create this table. Now that the table is ready, we can go ahead and generate the package again. This window is asking if we have any columns which can be ignored for comparison, like columns like modified date, which has let's say get date, which will be auto generated every time, and we don't want that to be a part of uniqueness. All right, now the package got generated. Let's click OK. Let's go ahead and look at that package by opening it in Visual Studio. I have Visual Studio open here. Let's go ahead and add the package by right clicking on it and click add existing package. And selecting the package and open and OK. Since we said this is gonna use temporary table, SSIS automatically created an execute SQL task with temporary table. And then a data flow where we'll be loading into table. I'll show you it in a bit. And then there is this update statement, which updates from temporary table into the main table. Let's go into the data flow. Since all of our uniqueness columns are coming from business entity address, that is going to be the only source. And all other tables will be lookups. And we created a case statement to create a derived column, and here it is. I'm not going to show the whole expression, but it creates based on our requirement. And then there is a lookup existence check. This basically compares based on the uniqueness and determines if a record is a new record and an existing record. Since we said our uniqueness is based on business entity ID, address ID, and address type, it's joining on those 3 columns. And if a record doesn't exist, then it inserts into our table. If it exists, then it inserts into the temporary table. All right, now let's go ahead and run this package to see how it processes the rows. There you go. Package ran successfully, and it inserted 18,774 records into our table. All right. Now that the package is done, let's go ahead and look at the specification document, which automatically got generated. All right. It basically creates a specification document. It provided the ETL rule, and then it provided all the columns and their ETL rules. And in table list, we'll be able to see all the tables and the join conditions between them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching again.